Hello there.
Oh my God, you can talk. You're a bird. You can talk.
Hi.
Oh my God, what's going on?
Why, hello.
Yeah, no, hi.
Hi there.
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Okay, I said hi.
Hello there. Hi. I'm a mean little falcon.
What does that mean?
What?
What?
I don't know.
Okay, well, I guess I'm just gonna go.
You're not going anywhere.
What do you? Yeah, I can just go.
No, you can't.
What? Why not?
I own this entire block.
Okay, well, I don't live anywhere around here.
I'm the landlord of this entire block. I own all the buildings.
You're a bird.
I'm the landlord and you're my tenant.
What are you talking? What is wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with me.
Okay, well then I'm just gonna go.
My father left me.
What?
My father left me when I was still just a very young bird.
I'm very sorry.
My mother left me too.
I'm very sorry to hear
I
that.
hate my family.
That's terrible. That's sad. I'm sorry to hear that. But I have to go.
You have nowhere to go.
Yeah, I do. I have things I have to do.
Like what? What? Like what?
Like none of your business, bird. I'm sorry to hear about your problems.
I'm not a bird. I'm a mean little sparrow.
Well, whatever you are, I have to go. This is stupid.
You're stupid.
Okay, whatever.
Do you know why they call me a mean little bird? A mean little sparrow? I mean, or whatever, falcon?
No, why? Oh, what the fuck, man? What is your problem?
I told you I was mean.
Dude, what is your problem? You know what, Falcon?
Oh!
I'm fucking juiced!